All right, this is video 2. So we have our MIDI cue song already and formatted in the way that is helpful, at least for me. I like it. Next thing to do is going to be to MIDI connect the network to ProPresenter and Prime. Now, I will say this ahead of time, it's going to be a short video because there are all kinds of videos that do a great job, way better job than I will, of showing you how to do this in detail and explanation. So it's part of the process, so I'm going to make the video for it so I don't skip any parts of it. But please go see a lot of better videos on YouTube about this. All right, you're going to go to Audio MIDI Setup. That's an app on your computer. And I'm showing you how to cue these slides all on the same laptop. So I'm going to be using IAC driver, but if you want to do it wirelessly to other computers, maybe I'll make a video about it later on. You can use the network. I'm going to do IAC driver because it's all on the same laptop for this demo. You want to have one of these ports on. If you don't see something like that, just hit the plus button. IAC bus 1 or something like that will turn on. This is important. Devices online. Make sure that that is checked. Okay? As long as that's like that, you can go to the next step in ProPresenter. So we're going to go to Preferences, and we're going to look at Modules. When you go to Modules, now you can buy these if you want to use it permanently. If you're just trying to figure it all out, press Demo Modules. It gives you all of these modules in a free trial. Okay, we're going to go to the Communications tab now. MIDI Setup. This is an important one. This is going to, by default, this is going to be set to something like 24, or something like that. You need to set it to number 1. Hit autofill. That's important. You should be seeing 18 for select playlist, 19 for select playlist item, 20 for trigger slide. If not, then this is going to get real goofy fast for you. Something I'm going to explain in the next video, but is very, very important to all of this from ProPresenter, is velocity. And they've made a little note for you here. The MIDI note's intensity will determine the index of the item you wish to invoke. The value is a range of 1 to 127. What are they trying to say there? They're trying to say that the velocity of the MIDI note that you set in Prime, or whatever your system is going to determine which slide in the playlist, or which item in the playlist you're talking about, or which slide in the song that you're talking about. Okay, we'll figure that out in the next video. So once that's set up like that, you're going to go over here, you're going to add device. You're going to add a MIDI device. Hardware, that's fine. Yeah, those are all fine, but this is important. You need to make sure in sources, whatever network you set up, we set up in IAC, is checked. Okay, if you're doing a network one, it's probably something like session 1, or if you called it something special, then it would show up here. Hit save. This is important. Don't forget this one. Hit connect. Got the green connected button. Now you're good to go. Okay, so you are now connected on the ProPresenter side. Next video, we'll move on to the Prime side.